Today I will give some suggestions how to we can learn effective English. As you can see title how we can learn effective English. Today we will talk about how we can learn effective English in many ways. We will discuss few steps in how we can build up a strong confidence towards English language, and how we can build up a strong and build and speak even in public, in class, in seminars, whether in every way we can speak English easily. So I am going to discuss 3 to 4 steps, even if we have to talk with friends, in class, in family, in seminar, in webinars, whatever, in public. We want to be discuss some views, some ideas, some steps in which we can learn and speak effective English. I will take your comments and share my own experience about English. Arslan Sadiq, Assalamu alaikum Janab. Walaikum salam sir. I am here. If you have any question about English language, you can ask easily. I give some suggestions how we can build our strong confidence about English language, how we can build learn effective English, and we can speak in public, in seminars, in class, in there is a lot of difference. I would like to elaborate both in speak in the front of screen and speak in public. There are two different things. If we have to speak in public, this is totally different thing to have to speak at screen. If we can easily speak in the front of screen, we can speak in the front of public. These are two different things, but we have to practice and start from to speak in the front of screen. If we talk with the mirror, this is a huge and number one practice to make our English speaker, to make our English speaking person, to make our English expert. If we have to talk in the mirrors, if we are talking in the front of mirror, then we are practicing ourselves to furnish towards English language. If we are not doing anything, if we have no interest about to learn English language, then there is no need to do any a single thing to learn English. If our dream to learn English and to meet with international friends, international peoples, and to visit and to do job in different cities, in different countries, out of worlds, so we can it's a first step to learn English in all of aspects. So we can learn English in many ways by do practice. First of all, if write down the main things in which we can improve our English language. First of all, improve your English language by doing practice. If you are practice makes the man perfect. So practice makes the man best. If you are doing practice in English, you can motivate yourself, you can elaborate yourself, you can explain yourself in English. My name is Nvedas and I am from Pakistan. I am the student of graduate. First of all, learn to say about some things you can speak in English. If you have to introduce yourself in English, how you can elaborate. I don't like to say to come on screen and say about self. Come to yourself, say to yourself, and watch to yourself in the mirror and say, I am Navidas and I am from Pakistan. I am from Pakistan and want to learn English. If you are going such things, then you should to be maintain a good confidence towards English. Then you should to be again good knowledge. Then you can achieve your goal. Then you can achieve your ideal. So if you are not going towards your English language, if you want to speak English, if you want to be practice English, if you have any suggestion about English, if you have any question about English, so you can ask here. I will be answered to your question by own experience, by own practice, by own confidence. If you build a great confidence towards English, then you can speak English in public, speak in English in seminars, speak in English in your class. So if you are not doing such things, if you are not making practice, if you are not doing a single thing to improve your goal, then how you can believe you can speak English very easily? There is no shortcut way, there is no anything short we can give and you can speak English without any confusion. So first step to do, to learn English, to do practice. Practice with friends, practice with family, practice with class, practice with relatives, with every person you should to be practice. Practice makes the man perfect. Then you should to be learn grammar. If you are learn grammar, you attain many things. And third thing, you build to be a great confidence towards English, then you can speak English very easily. So we have discussed three things about English. First, we should have a practice with family, with relatives, with friends, with class, with seminar, whatever where you are here. Then you should to be a great confidence to your English language. And third option is to work hard, you can attain knowledge enough, you can speak English. There are three suggestions to speak effective English. Thanks so much everyone. If you have any question about English language, how we can practice, how we can speak, how we can speak in public, how we can build our strong confidence towards English, you can ask, I will be answered back. How, even you should become an English trainer by practice. So if you have any question, you can ask in comments, I will be answered your question. Thanks so much.